By 2030, technological advancements will fundamentally reshape our world. Innovations today are not mere updates, but shifts in living, working, and interacting. We'll explore how these changes might solve and create challenges. Data scientists and technologists are our modern prophets, predicting the future with 85% accuracy. By 2030, artificial intelligence could add $13.7 trillion to the global economy. These forecasts offer both promise and warning as we navigate the transformative impact of technology on society. AI is evolving from narrow applications to sophisticated systems, becoming the cornerstone of our future. This shift from specialized to general AI capabilities will impact society profoundly. As AI systems grow more autonomous, they promise transformative societal changes, echoing the role of an oracle at the heart of change. AI could be our greatest ally against climate change by optimizing energy use, reducing waste, and accelerating renewable transitions. The challenge lies in deploying these tools swiftly enough to make a significant impact. As we harness AI's potential, we must ensure these systems are implemented effectively to combat the climate crisis. Artificial intelligence will revolutionize disaster response by 2030, shifting from reactive to predictive. Early warning systems will alert populations days in advance, while autonomous drones deliver aid to inaccessible areas. This transformation will save countless lives, highlighting artificial intelligence's potential to address urgent humanitarian challenges. AI holds the promise of reducing human bias in decision-making, yet algorithms trained on biased data risk amplifying these biases. The next 5 years will focus on creating fair AI systems, crucial for financial inclusion, diverse hiring, and justice reform. Achieving algorithmic fairness is essential for equitable societal transformation. AI in healthcare is set to transform diagnostics and drug development. By 2030, early detection systems could identify diseases like cancer years before symptoms appear, and personalized medicine will become the norm. This revolution promises to enhance patient outcomes and redefine medical practices, offering unprecedented precision and efficiency in treatment. AI's rapid evolution could outstrip our capacity to retrain displaced workers, posing economic challenges. Historically, technology has created more jobs than it eliminated, but AI's pace may disrupt this balance. As we advance, we must address the potential for economic displacement while exploring new opportunities for workforce adaptation. Brain-computer interfaces challenge our notions of identity and freedom. By 2030, we'll see a spectrum from non-invasive to full neural integration, potentially birthing new consciousness forms. This evolution raises profound questions about who we are and what it means to be human in a digitally integrated world. Digital communities are reshaping our social fabric, creating identities beyond geography. Virtual spaces may become our primary interaction domains, with physical gatherings as special events. This shift challenges traditional notions of community as we navigate new forms of belonging and identity in a digitally interconnected world. By 2030, digital immortality will preserve human memories beyond death. AI systems will create digital echoes of consciousness, raising profound ethical questions about memory and identity. This technological leap challenges our understanding of existence, as virtual recreations of individuals offer comfort and wisdom to future generations, blurring the line between memory and consciousness. Quantum computing will revolutionize problem-solving by 2030, performing calculations exponentially faster than classical computers. This leap will impact materials science, drug discovery, and cryptography. Nations mastering quantum systems will gain significant geopolitical advantages, necessitating quantum-resistant encryption as current security protocols become vulnerable. Synthetic biology will revolutionize our world by 2030, enabling us to program living systems. This field will produce materials, medicines, and fuels, while engineered organisms could tackle pollution and food security. Imagine crops thriving in harsh environments and microorganisms cleaning our planet. The potential is vast, yet it raises profound ethical and ecological questions. Autonomous systems will revolutionize agriculture, manufacturing, and transportation by 2030, operating with minimal human oversight. These advancements raise critical questions about control, safety, and sovereignty. As these systems manage complex tasks, the balance between human and machine decision-making will redefine societal structures and responsibilities. By 2030, the line between digital and physical will blur. Augmented reality and virtual reality will redefine work, learning, and socializing, transforming human experiences. This convergence will make digital objects as tangible as physical ones, fundamentally altering our interaction with the world. Fusion energy breakthroughs could redefine our energy landscape by 2030. Recent advancements promise commercial fusion plants, offering virtually unlimited clean energy. This could solve energy challenges, drastically reduce emissions, and enable innovations like large-scale desalination and carbon capture, potentially reversing climate change and eliminating energy poverty. The space economy is set to flourish by 2030, with private space stations and lunar missions becoming reality. Lower launch costs have unlocked commercial opportunities in low Earth orbit. We're laying the groundwork for resource utilization, heralding a new era of space exploration and economic expansion beyond our planet. Technological advancements bring risks like bioterrorism, autonomous weapons, and surveillance. As systems grow more powerful, misuse consequences become severe. The same technologies that promise solutions also pose unprecedented threats, challenging us to balance innovation with security and ethics. The future of technology hinges on governance. Corporate technocracy and algorithmic governance pose significant challenges. Who controls AI deployment will shape societal outcomes. New governance models, like blockchain voting and crowdsourced policy, could enhance responsiveness. As AI systems make critical decisions, the structures guiding them will define our world. Our technological future is shaped by our choices, not fate. Participatory design and digital literacy are vital for inclusive development. The next 5 years are crucial for establishing governance mechanisms. We must act now to ensure these technologies reflect shared values, not narrow interests, and prepare citizens to critically engage with their development.